Welcome to our exciting smart and interactive drone project. In this video, we are going to introduce you to our drone equipped with advanced facial recognition and line tracking. Prepare to be amazed. Our drone is able to recognize faces with high accuracy. Thanks to the power of machine learning and ESIEE-IT, our drone can identify Baptiste, Simon, Enzo and Romain. Imagine the possibilities offered by such a feature. Facial recognition with OpenCV and ESIEE-IT in Python works by detecting faces in an image or video and extracting the corresponding regions of interest. Then, the model will detect faces and compare the detected regions with those in our database. If a match is found, the identity associated with the corresponding face region will be returned. But our drone is not limited to facial recognition. It is also equipped with line tracking, which allows it to navigate with ease. Let's see this in action. But how does the drone switch between facial recognition and line following? This is where our innovative transition mode comes into play. Our project pushes the limits of what a drone can do. With advanced face recognition, line tracking and ingenious transition mode, our smart drone offers a unique and interactive experience. The possibilities are endless, whether for surveillance, entertainment or exploration applications. We are proud to present our hard work, combining programming, artificial intelligence and drone technology to create an innovative solution. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning. The future of smart drones is here, and we are part of it.